Optimizing financial transactions on Olymp Trade involves a strategic approach to deposits, withdrawals, and profit management, ensuring a seamless and secure trading experience. The platform simplifies financial processes with diverse deposit options, including bank transfers, e-wallets, and cryptocurrencies, catering to traders worldwide and providing flexibility regardless of location. Withdrawals are designed to be equally streamlined, with Olymp Trade emphasizing transparency and avoiding hidden fees, making it easy for traders to access their profits. A standout feature is the deposit bonus system, which enhances trading capacity by offering additional leverage, an opportunity that, when used wisely, can significantly amplify trading outcomes. Risk management is integral to successful trading, and Olymp Trade equips traders with tools like stop-loss settings, appropriate leverage usage, and clear guidelines on fees to safeguard investments while maximizing profitability. Smart strategies are key to success, and Olymp Trade supports this with a wealth of resources, including market analysis and financial news, enabling traders to make informed decisions that optimize profits while minimizing risks. Complementing these features is Olymp Trade's robust customer support system, ready to assist with transaction queries or platform guidance, ensuring traders feel supported at every step. With its intuitive interface, transparency in financial processes, and a suite of tools designed for efficiency and success, Olymp Trade stands out as a platform that empowers traders to take control of their financial journey, optimize their transactions, and unlock their trading potential.